Today we see Mervin-Ponrock-Verley reduction. It is also known as MPV reduction. MPV reduction. In this, the reduction of a carbonyl compound, that is aldehydes and ketones. Reduction of aldehydes and ketones to alcohols in presence of or by using aluminium isopropoxide or potassium isopropoxide or aluminum tertiary butoxide and isopropyl alcohol to give here, that is an alcohols. This reaction is known as MPV reduction. That is, carbonyl groups are converted into alcohols. If you take the ketones, the reduced product is an secondary alcohol. If reactant is aldehyde, the reduced product is an primary alcohol. General reaction, that is RC double bond O R dash is treated with aluminum isopropoxide and isopropyl alcohol. Aluminum isopropoxide, that is OCH CH3 CH3, which can be written as Me also, that is methyl aluminum isopropoxide. Take here 3 times, then we'll get the product as reduction of that carbonyl group into alcohol, that is RCH, here that is R dash and OH. It is an secondary alcohol. Ketones are reduced to secondary alcohol, plus byproduct is an acetone, that is isopropyl alcohol is converted into acetone. This is our target molecule, reduction of ketone to alcohol. If you take here aldehyde RCHO, the aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohol. Aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohol in presence of same reagent, aluminum isopropoxide, that is CH, Me. Me means methyl. 3 times, here we will get RCH2OH. That is, aldehydes are converted into primary alcohol. We will get the same byproduct, that is an acetone. Okay. In this reaction, the other functional group like carbon-carbon double bond or NO2 remains unaffected. This reaction is particular for the reduction of the carbonyl group, and exactly reverse of that MPV reduction is known as open-air oxidation. This is an irreversible reaction. That is, ketones or aldehydes are converted into alcohols, and alcohols are again converted into the ketones or aldehydes. The back reaction is known as open-air oxidation, and the forward reaction is known as MPV reduction. Both reactions are exactly reverse of each other. More example, if you take here double bond and here the carbonyl group in presence of here isopropyl alcohol, or here you can take any alcohol in presence of that same reagent, aluminum isopropoxide. 3 times, aluminum having the 3 valency. That's why here the carbonyl group is converted into OH. Double bonds remains unaffected. Okay, it means this reaction is particular for the carbonyl group. If you take here CH2 double bond CHO, then this CHO group is converted into, by using the same reagent, we will get the product as CH2 double bond CH CH2OH, means a double bond remains unaffected. Okay, now we'll see the mechanism of this reaction. In mechanism, aluminum isoperoxide is initially it is Al OCH CS3 CS3, it is 3 times, but I am taking here 2 times, and one of the molecule as a separately O C H CH3 CS3. Mechanism is very simple, and here it is an RCR C double bond O, and this is an R dash. Now what happens here, this double bond will be shifted towards oxygen. Okay, this double bond will be shifted towards oxygen, and that oxygen will be attacked on this aluminum, formation of oxygen aluminum bond, at the same time breaking of that OL bond to form here the double bond. As the valence of that carbon becomes pentavalent, at the same time we have to break this bond, CH bond, and there will be the hydride transfer takes place, that is H minus. Reduction takes place by the attack of hydride ion from this alkoxide on the carbonyl carbon. Then we will get one of the cyclic transition state. This reaction takes place through a cyclic transition state, and here the intermediate R C, here this is R dash oxygen, here this is aluminum O C H CH3 CH3, this is taken 2 times, and here the separately one O C, here this is an CH3, this is a CH3. Okay, now those bonds which are broken down are shown by, I will show here by dotted line. This bond is going to be broken down, breaking of this bond takes place, and here new bond is formed, that is again I will shown by here the dotted line. Similarly here CH bond, this bond is going to be broken down, this is H, and this is again from the bond with the carbonyl carbon, and here this bond again one of the pi bond is going to be broken down, and the new bond will be formed between this oxygen and aluminum. See here, this is an cyclic transition state. Okay, transition state, this cyclic intermediate. Simply see here one time carbonyl carbon here, and this is the aluminum isoperoxide, which is written one of the molecule out of 3, one of the molecule written here separately. Now what happens here, this oxygen and aluminum bond is broken towards the carbonyl carbon. Now this bond here shifted from here double bond, at the same time CH bond is broken towards this carbonyl carbon, and at the same time this bond is broken and form the oxygen aluminum bond. In the next step, what happens, now here it becomes R C R dash, this is CH, this is O, and now this bond is formed with aluminum. Okay, I'll write here R C R dash, this is O H, this is with aluminum Al O CH CH3 CH3 taken here, this is N 2 times, this 2 times, and this one. Okay, and plus here the product as your product as, that is actually byproduct CH3 C double bond O CH3, this is your byproduct. Now in next step, this whatever the intermediate is generated, This one will be undergoes protonation in presence of solvent, that is an isopropyl alcohol AlOCH CH3CH3 taken 2 times, and this one is OCH R and R dash. Now this species is treated with isopropyl alcohol. In presence of that isopropyl alcohol, it undergoes protonation
with the help of isopropyl alcohol.
Takes place. Breaking of this bond takes place, that is OH. Actually it is an ligand exchange type of reaction takes place, and you will get a product as R dash H and OH. This is an alcohol. Ketones are converted into secondary alcohol, and the byproduct here as AlO CH3CH3 taken 2 times, and this one will be attached to this oxygen OCH CH3CH3. Directly this species and this species in the bracket are same. We can directly write here the 3 times. It means we will get here aluminum isopropoxide. Stop here.